Walter with Coast Caterers. In this video we're going to learn how to deep fry fish. And you see that we got some fish fillets coming out of the oil already. They're done. Put them on a plate with a napkin. We'll go ahead and get the last fillet here out the oil. And here we have our deep fried fish fillets, and let's go ahead and watch the video and show how we got to this point. Okay, so to make the deep fried fish, we're just going to need a few things here. And we're going to see we have about a ½ pound of North Atlantic whiting fillets that have been cut into 4 pieces. The next thing we're going to need is our egg wash, which this egg wash is just 1 cup of milk and 1 egg, and I've whisked that together. And then here we have the seafood breader, about a cup of seafood breader, and I have also mixed in about a 1/4 cup of Old Bay seasoning just to give it some more flavor and seasoning before we deep fry it. So these are the things we're going to need, and we'll go ahead and bread the fillets and get ready to fry them. So now what we want to do is we want to take the fillets and we're going to put them here in the egg wash. Go ahead and do that with all the fillets. Go ahead and get them coated well with egg wash. And now, to show you a little technique to use that will coat real well, is we're going to take the seafood breader and the Old Bay, and we're going to actually put that into a paper bag, and then we're going to put the fillets in with the paper bag, and we're going to shake it all up and get them coated really well. So a simple little trick you can use. So let's go ahead and get ready to do that. Okay, so I've put the breader and the Old Bay into the bag. I put the fillets in the bag. I'm going to go ahead and shake these up a little bit. I'm going to shake it just a second or two. Go ahead and shake these up. And see now that the fillets have been coated really well, and they're now ready for frying. So let's go ahead and go over to the stove. Okay, so we've got our oil now up to 350. We want it between 350 and 375 for deep frying. That's the proper temperature. So we're there, and let's go ahead and put a couple of our fillets in the oil. And we're going to go ahead and put the next one in. And after we put the fillets in, let them fry for a few minutes. We got some tongs. We're going to use just to kind of make sure that they're not stuck at the bottom here. So we have the 3 fillets that are in there. They've been breaded, and they're now cooking at a temperature of about 350, between 350 and 375, and they're just going to take a couple of minutes to cook completely. And one way to tell that most food, especially seafood, is done cooking is it'll begin to float at the top of the oil, and then just give it a little bit longer to finish cooking off. But that's one sure sign that your food is about done, is that it's floating near the top of the oil. I'm going to go ahead and move these fillets around again. As you can see, they're already getting nice and crispy. Have a nice clean kind of golden color to them because the oil that we're using is clean, it's new, hasn't been used before. So we're going to go ahead and pull another fillet out and take a look at that one, and you'll see that that was one of the smaller fillets, and it's very close to being done. Okay, so these fillets have been cooking for right around 2 minutes. We'll go ahead and start taking them out, and I'm going to go ahead and put them on a plate that's been covered with a napkin. That's going to help drain more of the oil out. Let's go ahead and pull the fillets out. And there you go. There's our fried fish. Hope you found this video easy to follow along to, and if you haven't had a chance yet to subscribe to our channel, please do that now. We really appreciate that, and we hope you have enjoyed learning how to deep fry fish. Thank you for watching.